following book.
Meron kasi yung motion center, so nakaka-capture niya yung emotion kung saan yung face. Dinuguan o lechon eh,
Hindi ako hindi dinuguan, guys.
AU Indok sinusundan niya ako.
This is Unicorn.
This is AU. I don't eat.
Kahit anong handaan, lahat na na yung pero dito ako.
Sakto na nga, vlogger nga siya. She's going back to her YouTube days.
Nagtanong ka na?
She's going back.
Mag-my-day ka na ba? Sino mag-my-day? Ikaw?
Mag?
Mag-my-day?
Pwede. Ako.
Ikaw na?
Wala pa siya, di ba?
Mamaya ko siya na.
I'm gonna post this sa YouTube ko.
Ay, wait, sino ka nito?
I'm just kidding. This is Aowen. Aowen.
Ewan is locked in.
She's locked in. Face.
If it's set,
This
I
is
don't know why it
my-
was like that. Pretty weird. This is what you're gonna look like at some point.
What? A cat? That's Jake.
That is not a cat.
What is that? A dog. That's a dog.
Clearly a guy eating some random thing.
No, it's in my bag. I'll show you what's in my bag. This is what's in my bag.
I'm gonna do that. Why would it do that?
Kami din ba? Hindi.
Natamad ka na po. Don't. Just don't. Don't tamadin. This is Kirsten and Cry. Christ, tinan mo, susundan ka ng camera. Christ, sinusundan mo.
Ano? DM!
The fuck ba?
Natroll mo na si DM sa ano?
Bakit?
No, kaya pala hindi siya nagre-reply.
Christ. No.
Anong set to? Set A to the row.
Set A yun, di ba?
Okay, sa unang row ako.
DVCA.
Yung maganda sa kanya may pattern eh.
Fresh cut na ngayon man.
Binasa niyo ba yung tanong?
Hindi, natanggal na ako eh.
Ha?
Paano pag set B
Fresh
ako?
cut na ngayon. A few days ago.
Then, was a few days Brazilian dance.
What's the graduation?
What? Someone did Brazilian dance.
Oh, the camera was pointed in. They do
Ay, ba yung fan ni
this.
Eowyn? Ay, ba yung fan ni Eowyn?
Yes. Ito. Yung fan mo daw.
Yung fan?
Nareplyan kita kahit kung magmamak ko.
Ay, di, BB pa na.
Sabi mo. I'm getting sleepy. Yes. Yes, this one looks more like...
Maybe we'll crop this paper.
What if mag-post ulit ako
Bakit
ng
ayaw niya
picture
tumingin
ko?
sa taas?
Right, this time again.
What time? What?
Ah, okay, okay.
No!
Kaya
Hanap pa ni Christ.
Bakit?
actually kasi mga ilang ba, pangatlo ko na action. Una pa lang yan sa online, tapos dalawa na sa face to, magiging dalawa na sa face to face.
Hard.
What? Bruh. What? Saan? No.
Grabe na si Maris.
Dance.
No. Wait. What?
Are you sure?
Um,
Are you sure about that?
yes.
Are you? What if there's some underlying
Sure.
underlying something somewhere, right? What if there's something happening behind the scenes? We'll do that. Yeah, no, I say just do this. Is it a trick though?
No.
Is it a trick? Are you being mindful?
No.
Okay, now I feel the lose. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it from the lose, bro.
Ang plan, alabang.
Anong alabang?
Kinalala, I mean matagal. Yung sa'yo, alabang talaga or there's changes?
Alabang
Hindi guys,
sa ano niya?
sa bahay lang tayo.
Sa
Uwi na agad
birthday
ako.
niya.
No.
What? Wait.
We're going alabang.
Dapat pala nagtitipid na tayo eh. Paano
Bakit
tayo
yan?
makakapag-alaban tsaka mowa kung gastos tayo ng gastos? Hindi ako ha. Hindi to.
Nakashade si sir.
Pwede lang ba?
Mas mura doon.
Ay.
Alam mo yung
I
ano,
hate
yaman
this.
sa
I keep doing.
Yaman sa search mo, yaman sa
Parang nakita ko na yun.
Meron yun sa ano, sa Kabuyawan, sa Santa Rosa, sa Kabuyawan.
Oo. Parang maganda yung sa ramen nagi kasi pero ikaw mismo pipili. Sa ramen Toyota, wala kang pipili. May pipilihan ka pero hindi customizable.
Bro, smiley face.
Yung one look.
My smiley face.
Bro, this looks like this, man.
Yes. Smiley.
Kalbo na.
20.
Can you make this type of?
Yung may ako na ano.
Hmm?
Can you make that lightweight?
May ako na ano.
That one.
Lahat kami mag-set eh. Ikaw lang,
Yes.
Seatings dapat na.
Look.
It's a set piece.
Dr. Pepper.
Taho. No.
I don't like taho.
Right. I'm gonna buy one.
Buy food.
Heart.
Ano?
Should I buy it?
Heart.
Ano?
Bibigyan kita ng 500 pag umorder ka sa McDo ng Yum Burger.
Bruh. No, actually that happened. Because my mom was like, can you order yum, like in the drive-thru, she was like, I want yum burgers. I was like, I want yum burger.
Ano sagot ng cat?
She was like, do you mean map something?
Yum burger.
Yung burger.
Yes.
Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger.
It's chick McDo. Burger McDo.
Burger, yeah, she was like, do you mean burger makdo? Bruh.
I wanna work.
Tatamad ako ng gano'n sa ulo. Pattern na ngayon. Ano natamad pa ako? Bakit?
I'm so bored.
Kayo na nga lang
Then
mag-McDo.
get food.
McDo na kayo ngayon.
Food. What do I get? There's nothing to get. What is food for 50 pesos?
Candy.
What? I don't want candy.